Hi everybody, this is the third day of Ramadan. We're going together, me and Teresa, to explore the Medina, and we will ask people some questions. Let's go. As you American living in Africa, in Arab country, in Ramadan, how you feel?
My name's Conrad. I've been traveling for 3 weeks now.
Yokuso Morocco in Japanese.
Yeah, thank you so much. I like Morocco.
Good.
This is my 5th Ramadan.
But,
you were gin
I don't
from
have,
alcohol.
I don't have gin in my cupboard at the house, that's all.
Me, I'm used to it because this is my culture.
What are your names?
I'm Dorothy.
Dorothy?
John.
John. Great. Where are you from?
Canada.
Canada. I'm your neighbor in the south from the U.S.
Okay.
Yeah, great. So how is traveling in Morocco during Ramadan?
Well, we've been here for 2 months.
Ah.
Yeah, so the first, 6 weeks we were here.
Yeah.
And no Ramadan. And then when Ramadan started, honestly, it's not much different here in Essaouira. No.
Good to know.
I'd say about, 75% is
Good.
open and the same.
Yeah, so you feel you can find something to eat or drink
gosh,
and
yeah.
you're not worried about that type of thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah, great.
Absolutely.
And have you noticed a mood change in people? Or?
Much quieter.
Much quieter.
Much. The
Yeah.
beach is quieter. The Medina is quieter.
Yeah.
There's just a sense of
Calm.
calm. Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you so much for answering our question. Anything to say, John?
Well, no, it's everything that she said is I agree with. And if people like to have liquor in their house, they must remember to go 1 week before Ramadan to pick up their.
This is correct.
bottle
This is absolutely correct.
Whatever liquor they like to have in their evenings.
Yeah.
We went to Carrefour because Ramadan was starting Sunday night, and we went on Friday thinking he could get his gin. No alcohol.
No alcohol.
So-
3 days before.
That was good. That was good. It's good.
So you're also
It's
fasting a
cleansing.
little bit.
A little bit too.
It
So
was
I'm
really
happy.
funny because the cute local guy,
Yeah.
I'd say he was maybe 20,
Yeah.
he said, "We fast, you fast."
Which is actually not true.
So-
We're not fasting.
well, you were of gin
I don't
from
have, I
alcohol.
don't have gin in my cupboard at the house. That's all. That's all that means.
So you get a little taste of Moroccan Ramadan fasting. Cool. Perfect.
Very good.
Hello, I meet a new travelers also, and we want to ask him like what is the difference for him like to be in Morocco during Ramadan. Hello,
Yeah, hello.
what's your name?
My name's Conrad. I've been traveling for 3 weeks now, and I do experience a bit of a difference. Yeah, people are laid back. Businesses are closed. Not possible to have food during certain times. But traveling's fine right now.
Because for other people also it feels so way different because they need to eat lunch and all the cafes they close, all the restaurants they close. For them it's like it's difficult to travel during Ramadan in Morocco.
Of course, I knew it was going to be Ramadan, so I knew what was going to expect me, right?
Yeah.
That cafes and restaurants are not open.
We hope you enjoy your trip and your travel in Morocco.
Thanks
And
so
thank
much.
you so much for your time.
Hey, my love, how is Ramadan going?
Yeah, it's going well. It's going good. I got used to it. Now it's the third day. I'm getting used to it. And it's always like me. It's just the first days and then you are there the whole month.
What has been your favorite food item to break your fast with?
Always like dates and milk. This is in our culture. We break our fast with the milk and date. And for me, anything is okay. But if I found dates and milk, I will do that. What's your name?
My name is Kiyomi.
Ah, Kiyomi. You're traveling in Morocco.
2 times.
Two times.
I like Morocco. I like Morocco.
Ah, this is good. But for Teresa, this is her fifth time, and it's still like something new for her. Yeah, let's see. As you American living in Africa, in Arab country, in Ramadan, how you feel?
You feel connected with everybody around you because you're all going through this something similar. I've really gotten used to it a lot. This really community-minded, beautiful celebration. I understand how the culture shifts a little bit. You know, restaurants, shops close. In the first few days, people are a little bit more irritable. The reality is, but you know to go slow, you know to just try to be a little bit more conscious about what everybody is going through, because everybody in the first few days is just trying to get used to it.
What do you like to eat more in Ramadan?
I love to eat soups and salads. I love to break my fast with dates. We always have dates. Oftentimes we have harira, a tomato-based Moroccan soup. I try to think simplify, delicious. You don't eat so much during Ramadan, so I try to be super conscious about what I am eating and make sure that it's fresh and healthy and delicious. So yeah, soup, salad, nice food.
Shukran.
Shukran.